this video, I'll be explaining how to fix delayed ad approval. Oftentimes, when you run ad on Facebook, you just find out that the approval is taking time to come. Okay, at times it can take more than 24 hours, and at times it can get you worried, especially if it is an ad that you want to be up and running in the next few hours and it's taking longer than you expected. So I will be explaining to you the possible things you can do to fix your ad or to get your ad approved when it is being delayed. All right, so now the first thing you need to understand is that Facebook gives maximum of 24 hours for ad approval. Now, because many people are advertising on Facebook, so at times their system is choked. Okay, and they give maximum of 24 hours for the ads to be approved. All right, so if you can have patience for 24 hours, then fine and good, wait for 24 hours. All right, on the average, on or before 6 hours from the time of submission, your ad should be approved. Now, if you set up an ad and in the next 2 hours your ad is not approved, don't worry. You should not worry yourself. You shouldn't worry you at all. Okay, when you should start getting worried is maybe after 6 hours, if that ad is so important to you. So your ads should get approved or disapproved. Like, you should get a feedback either the ad is approved or not, at least on or before 6 hours. Okay, now one thing you can do when your ad is being delayed is to understand that there are many factors. Okay, you just have to be patient, and Facebook uses an artificial intelligence, so you just have to be patient with the system. All right, now another thing you can do is creating another variant of your ad. Now, if that ad is taking time, you can duplicate that ad, and it can trigger the algorithm or Facebook artificial intelligence to look into your ad and then approve your ad. Okay, now the next thing you can do is request for a manual review from a live support agent. Now, this is one of the best solution when it comes to getting your Facebook ad that is delayed approved. Okay, and make sure you must have waited for up to 6 hours before you use this last resort. Okay, all you need to do is to go to your live support. Okay, chat up Facebook live support agent and tell them that you need a manual review, that your ad is taking a long time for it to be approved, that it is past 6 hours now and your ad is not approved, that you want a manual review. Now, they will acknowledge it, and they will also tell you that the system normally gives 24 hours that you can wait, because the system automatically or should approve or reject all ads at least after 24 hours maximum. So but if you insist for a manual review, they will go ahead with the manual review. Then they will forward your ad to one of their internal system agents. Okay, and the person will review your ad manually. So look at this. This is one of the screenshots of my chat with Facebook support. Okay, I told them that I want my ad to be reviewed, that it is past 5 hours, so I needed a manual review. Okay, so and they also replied me. Okay, and this is another chat too where I chatted them up, and at the end my ad was approved. They told me that the ad has been approved. Okay, and they apologized for the delay. So these are the ways you can use to get your ads approved when it is delaying and you really need it to be approved. You have to wait for at least 6 hours before you can ask for a manual review, or you can just relax. In the next 24 hours the ad will be either approved or rejected. So these are the possible ways you can use to get your delayed ads approved.